Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening the Zoho Mail web app or installing the mobile app. Enter your account email and password. If you use single sign-on, choose that option. Once done, confirm whether you're logging into a personal free account or a Zoho Workplace domain, because Workspace accounts require domain verification and admin approval. Make sure two-factor authentication is set up if enabled. This protects access and may trigger a one-time code during login, so have your authenticator or phone ready. After initial sign-in, you'll authenticate with 2FA or SSO, follow prompts to approve devices or enter a code. Once authenticated, Zoho may ask to confirm profile details and mailbox settings, adjust your display name, signature, and time zone now so messages appear correctly. Then, sync folders or import from another provider if migrating mail. This can take minutes to hours depending on volume. Finally, choose whether to enable notifications and offline mode so you can access mail when connectivity is limited. To finish, send a test email from your account and confirm it lands in the inbox. Check sent and spam folders to ensure proper routing. If you use Outlook or Apple Mail, enable a map and generate an app-specific password in security settings. This keeps your main password private. If mail doesn't sync, clear browser cache or reinstall the app, re-authenticate, and confirm network access. One troubleshooting tip: if login keeps failing, reset your password and verify your domain's DNS/MX records with your admin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.